Yes, boys and girls, we're back. How we all doing? Are we diddly doing good? Yeah, that was fucking gay. I'm not gonna say that again. So, let me just escape the city, and then we can go for a proper drive. I hope you're enjoying the quality of this video so far. Man's been and bought a GoPro. Well, I've been and bought a DJI Action. However, people are like, oh fucking, what's that? I've never heard of that. So if you just say GoPro, yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? Fuck it. Everybody knows what a GoPro is, so yeah. But as I said, let's just escape the city and let's get up onto the Peak District, because that's why you've come. Oh, I can smell it, boys. That fresh air's getting closer. You ready, boys? Are you ready? Almost there. Woohoo! Shit. If you are new to the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe. Come on. Scenery, man. Nearly there. Of course, this fucking B-Tech fucking idiot had to fucking pull out. Nearly there, guys. Nearly fucking there. Well, people, let the games begin. Welcome to the Peak District. You ready for the view, guys? Are you ready? Look at that. Fuck. They're defo shagging. Haha, you little nitties. Always fucking wanting the fucking Kia Picanto. Look at this, guys. I'll tell you what, we're gonna have to park up. I'll leave it running, and I'm gonna have to just show you what we're dealing with. Ain't really no suitable spots around here, but we'll find one, don't worry. better view from where we are anyway. Let me show you what we're dealing with, guys. What are you saying, boys? You good or what? Get back. Right, let's get cracking again. Look at that man, motherfucker. Yes, boys! What you saying? What you saying, boys? You good? You good, yeah? Man, a bad man. Come on. Meh. Yes, boys. You good? What you saying, boys? Meh. What you saying? You good, boys? You good, yeah? Yeah, yeah. Gang shit. Look at this, boys. Don't get any better than this, does it, really? Do you know what I mean? Shagging. Shagging. Oh, yes. Whoa. Some dirty bumps on here, boys. Ah, fuck it. It says it's a quiet lane. I don't know about that, boys. Oh, there's some more here, look, boy. Can't park there, mate. You good, boys? Oh, what are you saying? Are we good? You good, yeah? Right, boys, we're back on that bottom road. Back on track, boys. In fact, you know what? I don't think this takes you to Ladybower, but I know where this does take you, and it is fucking sexual, so don't worry, boys, don't worry. guys. Just look at that. About to pop. Oh, they've just popped. She. So guys, I'm going to park up here and I'll get a few little visuals for you guys, a few little clips. Be back with you in a sec. Yes guys, so I thought I'd just show you where we are. Take this in because it's absolutely mental. The car's performed phenomenal as always. Ticking away nicely. Couple of sheep up there. I'll tell you what I'll do, we'll get up to there and I'll get right back with you. Look at this boys, because it ain't getting any better than this. Take it in. Take it in. Guys, I'll leave you with a few parting shots as we go down. In fact, let's get you out the window, eh?